If you're over 50, your mornings can make or break your metabolism for the entire day. And sadly, most people are starting with the exact foods that make fat storage worse. But today I'll share 5 morning foods that can turn your metabolism into a fat-burning furnace, starting from breakfast. Hi, I'm from Prime Fit Flow, where we help people over 40 and 50 stay fit, energized, and in control of their health. If you want to boost your metabolism, protect your muscles, and lose stubborn belly fat after 50, make sure you hit that subscribe button. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down, and the wrong breakfast can make it even slower. Cereal loaded with sugar, white toast, pastries, and fruit juice cause a quick sugar spike followed by a crash, leaving you hungrier, storing more fat, and feeling tired all day. The good news? Switching to the right foods can wake up your metabolism and keep it running strong. 1. Eggs or egg whites with 1 whole egg packed with protein and healthy fats. Protein in the morning can increase calorie burn by up to 30% for hours after eating. Plus, it helps maintain muscle mass, which is key for a faster metabolism. 2. Greek yogurt unsweetened. High in protein, gut-friendly probiotics, and calcium, all of which help regulate fat-burning hormones. Tip: add berries for extra antioxidants. 3. Oatmeal steel cut or rolled. Complex carbs plus fiber equals steady energy. No sugar crash. Add a spoon of chia seeds for omega-3s and extra fiber. 4. Green tea or black coffee, natural metabolism boosters thanks to caffeine and antioxidants. Green tea in particular has catechins that help your body burn fat more efficiently. 5. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats that help control hunger and support hormone balance, especially important for those over 50. A perfect over 50 breakfast could be 2 scrambled eggs with spinach, half an avocado, a cup of green tea, a small bowl of oatmeal with berries. This combo gives you protein plus healthy fats plus complex carbs, which keeps blood sugar stable, burns more calories, and reduces belly fat storage. Remember, small changes make a big difference, especially after 50. Start tomorrow morning with just 1 of these foods, and you'll feel the difference within a week. And if you want more tips like this, subscribe to Prime Fit Flow, where we share proven nutrition and fitness advice for a healthier, stronger you after 40 and 50.